Hi, I'm Polly Bath. I speak in schools throughout the country, helping to manage and change difficult classroom behaviors that interrupt instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. I'm a math teacher. How do you feel about letting students sit in groups? Hey, I love sitting in a group. It's fun. I get to talk to my friends when something gets a little boring. So maybe that doesn't work for you. Here's what I've always done. I like to change my environment based on my expectation. So if I'm teaching a concept at the front of the room, I don't want you sitting in a group facing other people. I want you sitting kind of front and center in a row. Yeah, like old school. But then if you're doing some problem solving and I say to kids very clearly, hey, this is problem solving. You're going to work with a neighbor. We're going to turn our desks or we're going to go to our tables. If you only have tables, it gets a little trickier. You might have to put all the kids on one side of the table and tell them, I'm teaching here. We're sitting on this side of the table. We break up into groups. When we're problem solving, go ahead and face each other. So you kind of change the environment for what you want the expectation to be. And I found that to be helpful. I don't like to teach curriculum from the rug. Some people do. I find the rug is better for story time and playtime with little kids. And it's actually worked better for me. So think about how you teach them, how they could structure their environment to get things done as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.